Health. 1. How do you keep healthy? I keep healthy by maintaining a balanced diet, staying physically active through regular exercise, and getting enough rest and sleep. I also try to manage stress and take time for activities that bring me joy and relaxation. 2. What are your favorite sports? My favorite sports are swimming and badminton. I find them enjoyable and a great way to stay active while having fun. 3. Are there health classes in your school? Yes, we have health classes in my school. These classes cover topics like nutrition, physical fitness, mental health, and overall well-being. They provide valuable information to help us lead healthy lives. 4. What sports help people stay healthy? Sports like swimming, jogging, cycling, and playing team sports like football or basketball can help people stay healthy. These activities improve cardiovascular fitness, strength, and flexibility. 5. Is it easy for people to exercise in Indonesia? Yes, it's relatively easy for people to exercise in Indonesia. Many cities have parks, gyms, and sports facilities where people can engage in various physical activities. Additionally, the tropical climate encourages outdoor activities, and traditional activities like martial arts are also popular for staying fit.